What's up, you guys? Good morning, good afternoon. It is really early in the morning, y'all. I think this is like the earliest we even did a video. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are staying positive, stay motivated, stay who you are as a person. Don't let anybody stop you from what you're doing in life. No matter how hard life is, you can complete any goal you want to. Just keep pushing yourself, and don't let nothing fail you to success. Become that person you want to become. Become that positive person you want to become. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes you great. Do what makes you feel good, and do what makes you feel great. Life is long and life is hard, but you as a person can make anything happen by the minute, by the second, by a chance, anything. Make yourself proud and do what makes you happy in life. Stay positive, stay motivated. But yeah, it's really hot out, y'all, again today. It's like 85 degrees today. Yesterday, I think it was like 90 or 95. So kind of eased up a little bit, but it's still super hot. So just, like, it's just still, we need rain. I think we need rain, you guys. Even though rain sometimes makes it hot, but I think we need rain. Because rain is what brings it all together, you know, and puts a little moist in the air. So hopefully we can get a bit of drips here and there and cools us off a little bit. But I'm thinking about putting my air conditioner in the window because it's super hot and this fan is not putting out no air. So that's the next plan. But yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next clip. Stay positive, stay motivated, and we'll catch you in the next clip. Peace. Welcome back, y'all. So I am making me a zay something to eat right now. The girls are down for a nap, and I figured I'll come and make us something to eat. And yeah, so this is this type of macaroni. This is macaroni and cheese Premier's Pantry brand, which I don't like their cheese. And so normally what I do is I just put the cheese up, but today I found some Velveeta cheese, so I'm gonna just use Velveeta instead. And I think I want to cut up some sausages to go on the side or something very simple. And yeah, so let's get that going. So we will be right back. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the sausage pieces that I cut up in the microwave to let them get a little bit brown. And then now we need to stir the mac and cheese. I'm trying to see what else we're gonna have. What kind of vegetable? I'm thinking like a vegetable. I don't know. It's really like nothing good up here at all. But I wish we had like what you call those? Like green beans, but I don't see them. They must have got rid of them. But yeah, so hopefully I can find something else to go with this. But hope you guys are doing amazing. Stay positive, stay unique, stay beautiful as always. And like I always tell y'all, don't give up in life because life can be hard and difficult. You guys, Father's Day is coming up. Matter of fact, it is Sunday. And everybody would say a happy Father's Day in the comments down below. And let's support his fatherly love and value. Let's give him all the love and support you can. And shout out to all you lovely fathers out there as well. Happy early Father's Day to all you beautiful people out there. Stay positive and keep going. Don't let your kids tire you up too much. But anyways, let's get back to our business. So I'm gonna do a vegetable, but I don't think it's any vegetable. So instead, I'm just gonna do this. Alright, y'all. So welcome back. I have my Zay stuff right here. I had made some sausages, mac and cheese with Velveeta cheese, not the powdery cheese, because I don't like the powdered cheese. Onion rings. I have barbecue sauce. Zay has the same thing. He has honey mustard. We're gonna give this a go, and hopefully it's good. Let me cut this off real quick. Here goes Zay. Hey, babe, how you feeling?
Good.
So this one's yours. Hope this is good, y'all, because this is our favorite cheese, but the powdered cheese is not good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste for y'all before we go in the room. And that's it, y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat and enjoy our food, and I'll come back with another clip once we're not eating. You wanna say anything while we're eating?
I hope you guys are having a motivation day. Keep on doing what y'all doing to improve your progress.
See you in the next clip.
Welcome back, you guys. How you doing, Mama?
Hi. I'm doing fantastic on this beautiful Thursday.
Thank you for the food, though.
You're so welcome. It's so delicious. I couldn't finish it because I started getting really hot, y'all. So I didn't want to throw up. So I just gave the rest of mine to Zay.
It was amazing.
Me and baby girl couldn't finish it. And by the way, she was just kicking.
She was?
Yeah, before we left out the house, she was just kicking.
Look at that belly, y'all. That's crazy. What happened?
What was it?
Alright, we back, guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Hope you keep on going and believing in your progress, because you will make it in life. You will do what you need to be done. How your day going so far?
My day is going amazing. I've been up since 6 this morning because I had to get up thinking baby Kay's gonna go to school, but she didn't want to go to school today, you guys. It was just field day. They had an option to go to school if they wanted to or not. So she just stayed home. And I actually been up ever since. I could not go back to sleep this morning. Ray and Nora woke up.
Me up, y'all. She even legit woke me up, y'all.
Oh yeah, about that. If I'm up and all the kids are woke, Zay waking up with me. Like I'm gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss Zay, you guys. If Zay is still asleep when I woke, I can't like just sit there without Zay being up. I feel lonely when you're asleep. So you don't feel lonely. You don't feel lonely when I'm asleep.
Yeah, I do be feeling lonely.
Now you see how it feels.
But
it's like, get up, eh?
I was so tired, you guys.
Me too, because what time we go to bed this morning? Like 3 or 4? Well, I kept falling asleep like around 2, but probably like around 3 or 4 I went to sleep this morning, guys. So we really didn't have that many hours of sleep, but it's all right. All the girls are asleep right now. And yeah, we just stepped outside. It actually feels good today. Earlier it was super hot, but now it's feeling really amazing.
Yeah, I'm saying like y'all hear them birds chirping, y'all.
And I also washed another load of laundry today, y'all. So I'm waiting for them to dry. They probably already dry, but I haven't checked them.
You want to go check?
Yeah, we can go check. Yeah, I haven't checked them yet. I'm just letting them do their thing, you know, instead of sitting there rushing to get down and just let him do his thing. Because I was going to put the girls in a tub, but since they're asleep, I'll just wait till tonight and put them in the tub. So before it's bedtime, they can just be freshly clean and ready to go to bed. So, yeah, they're not coming outside anyway, so it's really like no need to wash them up right now. I'll just wait till we go in the house and they get ready to go to bed later on tonight, and then I'll wash them up. But, let's see. I don't know if I just told them about my face. I hope I was. Let's see if it's going to dry now. We got to take him in now. Once we go in the house. Are these dry?
Mom, this could be the thumbnail. You guys sit right there. Welcome back, you guys. We're just taking the thumbnail. But it is beautiful out here. Look at the sky, y'all. Look at that sky. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. You said they all dry, right?
Yep, they're all dry. They dry pretty quick.
Want to get them?
Yeah, because just in case it starts.
But we hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. Like, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our next video. Peace.